The Terraces is a pre-construction boutique community of only 22 residences, and it's coming to Fort Lauderdale's Central Beach. I am really excited about this project for a few factors. Number one, it's boutique. It's only 10 stories high, and there's only 22 residences. A lot of folks really aren't interested in living in a high-rise condo where tons of people funnel through, the main lobby, share the elevators. They really like the idea of something smaller with less residents. So that's one thing that sets us apart from all of the other new construction and pre-construction projects that I'm aware of right now. In addition to that, all of the residences are corner units. This is really special because it means you're going to have a ton of windows and a ton of natural light. Plus, you're going to get views all around, which we'll get into the location of the community itself and what surrounds it soon. Also, they have huge wraparound terraces up to almost 1,100 square feet. So that's pretty special. Not only are you going to have this amazing indoor space with all these windows, you'll have a huge amount of outdoor living space too. One thing about the community, in addition to the things I just mentioned, are that the price point is starting at $1,990,000, and that's relatively low considering the cost and price points of the other surrounding new construction and pre-construction communities in the area. So it's going from $1,990,000 to the mid $2 millions, with the exception of there are on the 10th floor. It consists of only 2 penthouses. One is already sold, but there is still one available, and that is priced at $3,820,000. I'm Heather Parnass, your go-to South Florida realtor. I have been in this industry for over 34 years. I'm a new construction and luxury specialist. In addition to that, I am also a certified second home specialist, so I can guide you in all matters relating to that. There are a lot of things you need to know if you are purchasing a second home here. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and sign up for notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. I have a new construction series, I have a second home series, and I make videos about everything you need to know about living in Fort Lauderdale. I'm going to show you coming up soon a little video on the terraces that is provided by the developer, courtesy of Douglas Elliman. And as you can tell, I'm not a professional spokesperson, so I appreciate you dealing with any of my awkward moments during my videos, and there's a ton of them, but I try to make it fun. All right, enjoy. Terraces is at the center of a thriving historic neighborhood, North Beach Village. You're right in the center of entertaining. You have dining, shopping, and the beach is 3 blocks away, so 2 seconds you're, toes in the sand. The Intracoastal Waterway is to the west. There's a brand new huge public marina being built just to the south of this, so if you're into boating, you can get a slip there, and you pop out just north of the Las Olas Bridge, which is a short boat ride to the New River. There's a huge sandbar there, and you can continue further south to Port Everglades for ocean access. The building itself, if you don't want to leave for fun, you've got a ton of amenities at the terraces. There's a relaxation deck with pool and sunbeds. You have a gym with a lounge space, outdoor fitness center and yoga terrace, 2 summer kitchens, Wi-Fi in all common areas, dedicated guest parking, there's a bike station and a pet spa station. And as you can see with all of these views around, being corner units is really paramount because you've got windows that go from floor to ceiling, and you're just going to allow those beautiful views everywhere you're walking around. You're going to have the outdoors in. This is the epitome of South Florida living. I think this is a great project. If you have any questions or like me to send you the floor plans and information to review it or set up a presentation, just reach out to me. You can call, text, or email. My contact information is to follow.